รับคลิปในวันนี้นะคะเราก็อยู่นอกสถานที่กันนิดนึงนะคะเพราะว่าวันนี้เราจะมาถักผมเปียนะคะโอเคตอนนี้เราอยู่หน้าบ้านของเพื่อนแล้วเพราะว่าเราจะมาให้เพื่อนนะคะเป็นคนทำให้กดกิ่งแป๊บหนึ่งทักกี้ฮัลโหลนี่คือลินดรานะคะเซนสวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
จะเป็นผู้ที่ stylish ผมเราในวันนี้นะคะเป็นเพื่อนของเราเองเป็นเพื่อนร่วมงานด้วย Thank you so much to doing my hair today.
You're welcome.
Wait, just say you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Oh my god, so embarrassing. Okay, I'm so ready. Are you ready?
I am.
Okay, let's do this. ตอนนี้นะคะเรามาอยู่ที่ร้านขายผมปลอมไข่วิกกันเนาะเพราะว่าตั๊กจะทำให้มันยาวกว่าผมจริงหน่อยนึงเราก็ต้องการ extension ใช่ไหม like that one
Yeah, but you gotta get the color to match.
yeah so we need like a two different color so it's gonna come out like highlight
Yeah,
or
so you can
something.
blend it.
Ooh
Way too long.
it's way too long so where are we gonna see it
We gotta cut it in half, like
คือเราต้องตัดครึ่งหนึ่งเพราะว่ามันยาวเกินไป like that should I hold it
so then we become two.
แล้วก็มีสองฝั่ง
We're gonna mix it. So
แล้วเราก็จะเอามาผสมกัน
the other one, this one will go back. To mix them together, so that they get.
wow that is a lot of hair okay
And then we take.
ผสมแล้วเป็นแบบนี้ I just washed my hair yesterday
It looks good. I like the color.
She has a top. Where do you
it's
like the hair?
highlight like
You do-
everything is go down like this
She wants made apart.
Oh, just the one made apart.
it's not good
Yeah. I do made apart all the time.
yeah I like a made apart now so you start from the front first
I normally start from the back.
my hair really straight
It's so smooth.
Sean says it's dry
No.
the last time he met me my hair is not like this
No, your hair was black and really healthy.
I know then I keep drying my hair
Are you
so my
using
hair dry
the sugar beer? You stop?
I
You
stopped.
gonna
I
knock it
only
down?
finished one bottle and I didn't take it anymore.
Don't play around
It's
with it.
expensive and it's not doing anything.
I think it does.
What do you think, Jackie?
I don't know. I
Don't.
just take one. It doesn't see much result for one bottle.
So you want-
So you're gonna start from the back.
Come on. Yeah.
Okay, and then come up. ก็คือว่าจะทำไล่ตั้งแต่ท้ายทอยนะคะ ขึ้นมาข้างบน อันนี้คือเป็นความถนัดอันนี้ organoid from Morocco perfectly extra hot let me smell it
take off this. Oh, you're smelling it.
Wait, what does it smell like? I don't know. Oh, it's like a gel.
Yeah. It's the hole, so you have like this.
เหมือน wax เลย
The holder here.
Hold on,
Hold the hair. Twist it. And then you put it.
So you connected the hair from the root?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. คือว่าใส่ผมลงไปตั้งแต่ตรงโคนผมเลยนะคะ
No, that's the extra ones on the side.
Turkey is not pulling?
No, it feels so nice.
Oh my
I
goodness.
am doing it
It's not
soft.
flat tight. You're so gentle, Lindra.
You
Oh,
think?
really?
I
Oh,
don't even feel
great.
what you're doing.
And this is how it looks. Becky, do you see how long?
Ooh.
So that's it. That's as long as you want it, right?
Wow. Yes.
And it goes in hot water when we're done, so it stays. Yeah.
ตอนนี้เราก็จะอัปเดตให้ดูนะคะว่าเราทำไปถึงไหนแล้ว สวยไหม
So beautiful.
It looks really beautiful.
Yeah. This is the back.
Do you see the length? Not that long, but just perfect.
And we're about to do the front.
ตอนนี้มาอัปเดตกันอีกรอบนึงนะคะ ก็เสร็จไปแล้วครึ่งนึงนะข้างหน้าแล้วก็หน้าม้าหายไปแล้วนะคะ คือเมื่อกี้นี้เขาได้ตัดไอตัวที่มันชี้ๆของผมออกไปด้วยนะ
You have enough baby hair down, right? So if you decide to put it up, look at all her baby hair.
Yeah. So I can do like different hairstyles.
Yeah, you can
this,
put up,
right?
you can put down, you can do whatever you. Yes.
Nice.
Taki hair is so silky. Oh my goodness.
คือผมเราลื่นนะ คือรู้สึกแบบสบายหัวมาก ไม่ได้รู้สึกหนักหรือแบบเจ็บเลยอะ And here is the last one อันสุดท้ายแล้ว เย้ เสร็จแล้ว หลังจากที่นั่งตรงนี้มาเป็นเวลาหลายชั่วโมงนะคะ many
Yeah, many hours.
but the result is
It's
lovely.
beautiful.
Beautiful, I love it. So good. Yay. Thank you guys.
And we're not complete as yet.
Yeah, we're not done yet, Taki.
Are you going to soak the hair?
You'll see. You'll see.
You'll see.
This is a whole new experience, and this is my first time getting this hairstyle, and I love it.
It looks really nice on you. The mastermind behind it.
Hello.
I like it.
Oh my god, look at the back!
Nice.
Love it!
We're gonna put the hot water and
Yeah.
stuff. I don't want to cut. Very good.
Give us some sass, Taki.
Beautiful.
So, time to go in hot water.
Let's do it.
She looks different, right?
I like it.
Different. Don't skip. You're gonna feel the heat, but then
Yes,
skip.
I did feel the heat now. Whoa!
Yeah, you're gonna feel it, but don't be scared.
Like you have to get the whole thing.
No, just the one.
Like that. Are you hot? Did you put on your hand? Are you okay?
Okay.
Spray some oil.
Yeah, because it looks irritating right here.
Nice. See how it looks? It looks really nice.
Love it. ค่ะก็เสร็จแล้วเรียบร้อยออกมาภูมิใจสวยงามก็ thank you so much for making my hair today and taking your time. I took all your time today.
It takes us like
A couple hours.
7
Yeah.
hours to get it done.
Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you so much everybody for watching my video and
Like and
hope you guys
subscribe.
enjoy it and go subscribe and thumb up. The next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Yeah.